And joining me now to talk about all this is Miles Shipside, Rightmove's commercial director. Hi, Miles. It's interesting, isn't it? A stalemate, a real split in sentiment about where prices are heading.
That's right. Normally you'll get people in one camp or another, prices going up, prices going to go down. But here we're fairly evenly split amongst those who think they're going to be higher in 12 months' time, those who think they're going to be lower, or more or less the same.
And it's a big sea change from a year ago, because a year ago the majority were looking for higher prices, weren't they?
Well, what we've seen, the number that thought that prices were going to rise has halved in the last 12 months, from 56% down to 27%, so less optimism out there, and the rise of the price pessimists as well.
Does that reflect the outlook for the UK economy? Is that what the pessimists are telling you right now? What are their reasons for being pessimistic?
That's right. They've jumped from 1 in 10 to 1 in 3, and the main reasons they cited were general economic concerns, concern around the economy, lack of faith in that, but also squeeze on household income. So very much around feeling worse off, both at a national level and a personal level.
You sort of wonder,
well.
1 in 10 to 1 in 3, that figure, you guess, might get even worse post the comprehensive spending review. Have you got any early indications of what people are thinking about the spending review?
Well, obviously the impact of that is yet to be felt, yeah. But this is a large sample, over 25,000 people in our survey, so it's a good barometer. And a year ago they were correct, because we have seen prices rise over the last year, and now looking forward over the next 12 months, far less positive. And the worry is that when people are uncertain about the outlook, inactivity is often the end result. And obviously we're seeing that in the lack of volumes of sales in the market now, perhaps around a half of what they have been in traditional times.
But still though, Miles, there's a bit of... the data's quite unassured, isn't it? I mean, you said last week that asking prices rose in October. Halifax says the house prices are falling. If you're a viewer and you're sort of sifting through this data, you're left more confused than when you started. So give us what you believe is the true state of the UK housing market.
Well, the number of sellers are outnumbering the number of buyers, so basic supply and demand economics. Prices are coming down because buyers have got the upper hand, and sellers looking to attract those fewer buyers that can get mortgages are having to negotiate on their prices. So coming up for winter, people are actually concerned around festive activities around buying houses, so a tough winter market, I think, ahead for those looking to sell.
Miles, thanks. Rightmove's Miles Shipside there.